Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we are going to present you with 10 tips and tricks you can do with your smartphone. Watch till the end for a bonus trick and let us know how many of them you already know and do practice in your day-to-day life. Without any further ado, let's get started. Light apps. We are not talking about the tiny versions that app developers release for their popular apps, but we are referring to the apps that you can use without installing them. Yes, you heard it right. You can use Instagram, Myntra, Flipkart, and many such apps without even installing them. Many of you already know it. These use your browser, but that doesn't mean you have to always type the URL or link every time you visit them. Whenever you visit these sites on your phone's browser, they offer you to add app to home screen. Just select that option and you are good to go. They are visible in your apps like all regular apps you download from Play Store, and you can access them quickly. Even if you have gigabytes of storage in your phone, why download apps that you don't even use regularly? You can instead prefer such light apps. Moreover, the more apps, the more permissions you have to give them, more ads they throw at you, more data they collect from you, more storage they eat up, and sometimes they even drain the battery by running in the background continuously. Also, if you are still doing good with your old devices, these light apps are really handy. Quora Online. If you don't have Quora app but you are reading Quora posts on your browser, after reading a post, if you want to read another, it will force you to download the app. If you rarely use the Quora platform, it's useless to download the app. A simple hack is to long press on the link and select Open in Incognito tab. If you want to read further, close the Incognito browser and repeat the same process. Google Memory. If you forget stuff like to whom you gave your keys or what's your girlfriend's favorite color, don't worry, you are like me. But Google can help you remember those for you. Open Google Assistant or simply say, "Okay Google, remember my girlfriend's favorite color is blue." It will remember, and at any point of time later, you can always ask, "What's my girlfriend's favorite color?" and it will answer you. Lifesaver, isn't it?
Thank you. Helping you is my crowning achievement.
Find my phone. Many a times we forget where we have left our phones and search for them like idiots. Sometimes this hide and seek becomes much tough and you have to call your number from others' phones. But what if your phone is on silent? Google again comes to rescue here. You can log into Find My Phone feature of Android with the same account that you are logged in on your phone and select Find My Device. It sends an alert to your phone which rings even if your phone is on silent. Water reminder. Drinking water is a must for everyone. Even though we know it, we neglect or forget it most of the times. Some even download third-party apps to remind them to drink water. If you are one of them, you can use simple trick of using your phone's alarm to do the same task. Open your clock app and set the alarm for a specific time in the morning. Also, set the snooze option to 30 minutes or 1 hour. I have set it to 11 in the morning and it reminds me to drink water every half an hour. I snooze it and drink water. At the end of the day, I dismiss it so that it won't disturb me all night. It again starts as usual in the next morning. Why install other apps when you can get things done with the apps you already have? RTL. If you want to experience something new with your old phone, you can try RTL in the developer options. RTL is the right to left shifting of your Android layout. It's something new that you can try. In case you are wondering, there is no developer options in the settings of your phone, find software information and tap 7 times continuously on the build number. You can then be able to get developer options where you can find interesting things to try. But be careful as most of them are experimental features. Google Animals. Google has introduced this feature a year ago, but many of us might not be knowing it. If you type any animal's name in your smartphone's browser, you can bring them to life in 3D. The 3D animals are made in such a way that they are of similar size of those animals in real life. Most of the animals are covered and many are still being added. You can try lion, snake, dog and many more. You can even capture photos with them. If you are facing issues, just check whether Google AR Core is installed and up to date. What's this song? If some music is playing around you and you want to know the track name or artist or any other details of that song, no need to download any third-party app like Shazam. You can open Google Assistant or simply say, "Okay Google, what's this song?" It fetches you the details relating to that music. Do you love me?
It's Do You Love Me from Foggy 3 by Nikita Gandhi.
Download YouTube video. If you want to download YouTube videos without any third-party app, this trick comes handy. Just open the video you wish to download in the browser and add SS to the URL before YouTube. That's it. You can also select the quality you wish to download. It works in smartphones and desktops also. Better cursor control. If you have got big fingers or small screen and facing difficulties while typing to move the cursor forward or backward to an exact position, just hold space and swipe to move cursor with better control. Bonus tip. If you want to choose between two options and need a coin to flip to decide, Google can do that for you. Open Google Assistant or simply say, "Okay Google, flip a coin."
You got tails.
It can also pick a random number between the limit you specify, random alphabet, also can roll a dice and much more. That's it for today guys. See you in the next one.